Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program using Scala or scalable programming language that asks the user to give temperature in Celsius, and then the program will convert the given Celsius temperature into Fahrenheit temperature equivalent. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos, leaving a comment, suggestions, and most importantly by subscribing. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So we have here several comment here, Celsius underscore Fahrenheit at Scala. And then we have here import Java util scanner for input output in Scala. Object Celsius underscore Fahrenheit. One of the good things about Scala programming language, almost 75% of the commands in Java can be applied without or small modification of your code. So div main, args, array unit, okay, starting point of every Scala program execution, val input, new scanner, system in. We create an object scanner for input output, similar to scanner in Java. Print, new line, the title of our program, Celsius to Fahrenheit using Scala. And then here, we are asking the user to give Celsius temperature that will be stored in our variable Celsius, which has a data type of double. And then for the formula, Fahrenheit equals Celsius divide by 9, multiply by 9 rather, over 5 plus 32, open and close parentheses. And then we have here display the results. Celsius, okay, percent 5.2f, and then character for degrees, no? And then the Fahrenheit also output here in a program. And then we close. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code, okay, in my two websites for free. Okay, let us clear the terminal first, and then we run our program. Scala Celsius underscore Fahrenheit at Scala. Don't forget to put the extension Scala, no? Or else it will create an error during we are trying to run our program. Let us wait. Okay, our program is right now running Celsius to Fahrenheit using Scala. Enter Celsius temperature, let's say 50 Celsius. So 50 Celsius, the Fahrenheit temperature is 122 Celsius, no? Fahrenheit. Okay. Another example. Okay, we have 100 Celsius. So 100 Celsius is equivalent to 212 Fahrenheit and the program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on Celsius to Fahrenheit using Scala programming language. Thank you so much for watching guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.